Hey everyone, my name is Josephine. Welcome back to our large format series. Today we'll be using the SP2000 to make this awesome basketball backboard out of our TroGlass acrylics. We purchased the basketball net system at our local store. Each basketball net system is designed and manufactured differently. The best way to get an accurate dimension of the backboard is to download the PDF version of the user manual with dimensions. If not, measure and recreate the backboard like we did so. We cut the pieces out of 0.5-inch chipboard on our Trotec SP2000 and spray painted the back with black paint. These pieces will add structural support for the backboard. To create the outer border design, we place a full sheet of TroGlass reverse gloss silver and engrave the backside of the material. Remember to mirror the design horizontally when engraving on the backside of the material. The pieces were then spray painted on the back. To create the main frame of the design, we used TroGlass Gloss Black, Red, and Silver. We placed all the sheets of material onto the SP2000 and proceeded to cut. The red and silver pieces will be inlaid into the black piece with a contour of 0.007 inch. The back support is assembled using glue and wood screws to secure the backboard. The hardware was also installed using epoxy glue. We flip the board front face up, remove the 3M adhesive, and place the pieces together. Finally, the backboard was assembled to the basketball net system. Follow the instructions according to the manufacturer. The large format SP2000 is the perfect laser system to create large-scale projects like this. Where the laser excels over the CNC machine is a one-step flame polish cut, while the CNC machine requires additional post-production treatment. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and see you next time for another large format video.